Welcome to Belo Horizonte, where every horizon is truly beautiful. Dive into a city that's not just about the urban buzz, but is an artful blend of nature, culture, and architectural wonders. From sipping on unique drinks in the city of bars to marveling at the genius of Oscar Niemeyer, Belo Horizonte is Brazil's best-kept secret. Experience the sensory overload of the Central Market. Hike up the breathtaking Saradinha and immerse yourself in the city's rich history at Praça da Liberdade. Watch till the end for a serene boat ride experience at Lago da Pula, where architecture and nature dance in harmony. Belo Horizonte isn't just a destination. It's an emotion, a story waiting to be told. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable journey? Pack your bags, because Belo Horizonte beckons. First off, did you know Belo Horizonte boasts the highest bar-to-person ratio in Brazil? Yep, you heard me right. It's officially known as the City of Bars. So, if you're a fan of vibrant nightlife and unique drinks, you're in for a treat. The city's love for bars isn't just about the drinks. It's about the culture. Here, bars are places of social gatherings, storytelling, and making memories. So, cheers to new friendships and unforgettable nights. Belo Horizonte is home to the architectural genius of Oscar Niemeyer. The Pula Modern Ensemble is a testament to his brilliance. It's not just a building, it's art that tells a story. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a blend of modern design and traditional Brazilian elements. It's where the past meets the future, and trust me, it's a sight to behold. Nestled in the mountains, Belo Horizonte offers breathtaking views at every turn. It's not just a concrete jungle. It's an urban paradise surrounded by nature's beauty. The name Belo Horizonte translates to beautiful horizon. And once you see the sunset here, you'll know exactly why. Central Market. Dive into the heart of the city at the Central Market. From exotic fruits to artisanal crafts, this place is a sensory overload. And the food. Oh, let me tell you, your taste buds are in for a carnival. Saradinha. For the nature lovers, Saradinha is a must-visit. Hike up the trails and be rewarded with panoramic views of the city. It's the perfect spot for that Instagram-worthy shot. Praça da Liberdade. Step into the city's history at Praça da Liberdade. This square is a blend of old-world charm and modern aesthetics. And the best part, it's surrounded by museums, making it a cultural hotspot. Palacio Dardis. For the art aficionados, Palacio Dardis is a haven. From theater to music and art exhibitions, it's where the city's creative pulse beats. Lago da Pampulha. Last but not least, unwind at Lago da Pampulha. This scenic lagoon is perfect for a leisurely boat ride or a serene evening stroll. And the surrounding architecture, simply mesmerizing. As we wrap up our whirlwind tour of Belo Horizonte, remember, this city is more than just a dot on the map. It's a blend of culture, nature, and vibrant energy. So, when are you booking your ticket to this Brazilian wonder? Belo Horizonte is waiting to share its stories and magic with you.